Hey, before this video starts, I want to share with you that this is part of a much larger video series called Prep Tech. These Prep Tech courses available at repairmasterclass.com teach you how to repair musical instruments. There's courses available for band and orchestra instruments, so go check out repairmasterclass.com and find a course that's right for you. Now that we've got this pad out of here, we've got all of this debris that's inside the cup that needs to come out. This is where your Craftsman screwdriver is going to come in really handy. If you notice, the blade on mine is really worn out, and that's because I have used this screwdriver for decades in order to scrape and do this exact process. So all this glue that's in here, I'm going to start off by just scraping it out. The next step is using alcohol, or I prefer acetone for this because it breaks the glues down better. Pour just a little bit of that in there, then use one of your Q-tips and come in here and clean this out. Make sure you get right up in all those edges and really clean that. If you need to, come in a second time, like I do on this one. Cut a little bit more of that out. Oftentimes the acetone will soften those glues and make it easier. If you really need to, use your needle. Get right into that edge, clean those up. Come back with a little bit more acetone. And finish cleaning that. Now we've got a pretty clean pad cup, and it's ready for a pad.